Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at a new feature in Chrome called tab grouping. So let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your Chrome is updated. I'm on a Mac, so I have to go to Chrome, About, and you'll get this window that pops up and it'll check for updates. So mine is currently updated, so I know I'm good to go. All right, from here, as you can see, I have a ton of tabs, all different varieties. Some are shopping, some are social media, and there's really no organization to it. And with this feature, it actually helps us with that. So let's open up a new tab and enable Chrome tab grouping. We're going to have to type the word Chrome : // flags. All right, and then it's on this list here somewhere, and it's hard to find. So what I do is I just search up here, tab, and it'll be one of these options. There we go, tab groups. So it's by default not enabled. Let's go ahead and enable this. You'll be prompted to relaunch, and there we go. So let's close this flags window here and see what we can do with this. So what I'd like to do is separate all of my tabs into groups so that it's easier to kind of get organized and work in each category. So on this news section, what I'm going to do is right click and say add to new group. And you'll see this little gray icon appear right next to the tech website. I'm going to click on it and you can choose a color. And I'm going to say news. You'll also have the option to close the group, move group to a new window, and so forth. So let's go ahead and add some more tabs into this news group here. So this is also news. I'm going to drag it. All right, and there's more here. I'm going to drag that in there, drag that in there, and drag this in there. Perfect. So now, as you can see, anything within the tech news is going to be under this kind of tab or like a folio. If you remember what the binders looked like when you were in school, this is sort of that same concept. Let's create another one for my shopping lists. Add to new group. And this is going to be shop. I'm going to make this one green, and let's drag some into here. That belongs there, that belongs there. Of course, that, and we can't forget about Amazon. And finally, I have a few tabs here that are for social media. Let's right click on Reddit, add to new group. Let's change the color here. We'll make it pink, and we'll call this social. Boom, just like that. And now we have some organization in our tabs while we're working. This is just one example and one use case. There are other use cases where you can, for example, let's say you're shopping for a home or an apartment or something. You can break things up into area codes and then have them all broken up and easily kind of figure out where you're shopping. Or you can break it up into categories so that you have, you're buying a monitor or something. You can say these are the $100 to $200 range monitors. These are the $300 to $500 and so forth. And then you can kind of easily figure out what you're looking at and have some organization with your tabs. Because if you're anything like me, you have, over 20 open or 30 open at a time. So a great new feature. I really like it. I plan on using this regularly. Hopefully they'll add some more improvements to it. And that sums it up. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you next time.